Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create an AI email responder with n8n. First, set up email trigger. So, click on the plus icon, navigate to your workflow and a personal project. Now, what you'll have to simply do is set up the email trigger. Click on the plus icon and search for IMAP and choose email trigger. Now, you can easily watch your inbox for new emails. Simply extract the email content. So use the subsequent nodes to extract the email body and send the information for processing. You'll have to click on credentials to connect with, click on create new credential and basically enter the username, password, host, port, SSL, TLS and everything on this page. Click on save and your credential or email will be successfully set up and connected with n8n. Now choose mailbox name and you can name this anything you want, fixed or expression. You can also click on action and choose nothing or mark as read. You can also choose to download the attachments like raw, resolved or simple. Now you can also choose the property prefix name. So choose it according to your preference and execute this step. Now, you can also add an HTTP request node or dedicated AI node to connect with AI service like OpenAI or Gemini API. So send the extracted email content as prompt to the AI to generate a reply. Now, extract and format the AI generated text from the API response using nodes like set or function and add an email sending node such as SMTP email or Gmail node. Use the sender's email as a recipient and input the AI generated text as the email body. Now, you can activate the workflow and test by sending an email to the monitored inbox. Verify the AI response automatically with relevant answer. So this setup will enable automated AI-powered email replies using n8n's integration capabilities and natural language processing APIs. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.